Okay guys, just open settings, then select display, then select screen mode, bottom of the page you can see. Now it is in natural color, just tap on vivid, that means more boosted colors. Okay, you can also check the color combination by uh, sliding these pictures, how it look. Okay, just select vivid, then you can see one other option is come here, white balance. You can also adjust white balance like cool color or warm color. In video you cannot see the difference, but in real life you can see the difference. Go to the advanced settings. Also you can here to control the basic colors like red, green, blue. Okay, you can easily adjust those colors as you like. Okay guys, that's it. It's very simple tutorial. You can easily do this by adjusting the slider like this, warm color or cool color. Okay. Okay guys, that's it. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post your replies as videos, so you can easily watch that. And also, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.